Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK for GC. Here today we will discuss general knowledge GK questions. Instruction: please watch the video till end without skipping it, and a request: if you find my channel interesting, useful and informative, please like, share, subscribe it and support us. So let's start today's GK questions discussion. These questions are from economics. Question number 1: which type of good experiences an increase in demand as its price rises? Option 1 Giffen goods, option 2 capital goods, option 3 club good, option 4 consumer good. The answer is option 1 Giffen good. A Giffen good is an inferior good where demand increases as the price increases, contrary to the law of demand. Question number 2. In economics, IPO stands for option 1 inclusive property offer, option 2 initial public offering, option 3 intended performance objective, option 4 inventory performance output. The answer is option 2 initial public offering. An IPO is when a private company offers its shares to the public for the first time to raise capital. Question number 3. For economists, dash refers to the amount of a product or service that people are both willing and able to buy. Option 1 demand, option 2 supply, option 3 price, option 4 income. The answer is option 1 demand. Demand represents the quality of goods or services that consumers are willing and able to purchase at various prices. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a capital good? Option 1 tools, option 2 food and clothing, option 3 machines, option 4 truck. The answer is option 2 food and clothing. Capital goods are used to produce other goods and services, whereas food and clothing are consumer goods. Question number 5. Expenditure to increase production capacity is a type of option 1 revenue expenditure, option 2 production expenditure, option 3 investment expenditure, option 4 capital expenditure. The answer is option 4 capital expenditure. Capital expenditure refers to money spent by businesses or governments to acquire or upgrade physical assets. Question number 6. Which of the following statements is true regarding disinflation? Option 1 inflation due to only a few commodities, option 2 an overall decrease in prices, option 3 a decrease in the rate of inflation, option 4 a sudden sharp decrease in prices. The answer is option 3 a decrease in the rate of inflation. Disinflation refers to a slowing rate of inflation rather than a decrease in price levels. Question number 7. In a socialist economy, all productive resources are owned and controlled by option 1 dual system, option 2 socialist government, option 3 mixed system, option 4 capitalist system. The answer is option 2 socialist government. A socialist economy is characterized by state ownership of resources and centralized planning. Question number 8. Which of the following may be called as fiscal deficit? Option 1 revenue expenditure to revenue receipts, option 2 capital expenditure capital receipts, option 3 total expenditure total receipts other than borrowings, option 4 revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure revenue receipts. The answer is option 3 total expenditure total receipts other than borrowings. Fiscal deficit represents the shortfall when total government spending exceeds its revenue excluding borrowings. Question number 9. Which of the following is true? GDP minus depreciation is GNP. Option 2 GDP plus depreciation is equal to NDP. Option 3 GDP minus depreciation is equal to GNP. Option 4 GDP minus depreciation is equal to NDP. The answer is option 4 GDP minus depreciation is equal to NDP. Net domestic product is derived by subtracting depreciation from gross domestic product. GDP that accounts for environmental pollution and resource exploitation is called option 1 white GDP, option 2 green GDP, option 3 brown GDP, option 4 blue GDP. The answer is option 2 green GDP. Green GDP considers environmental costs to measure sustainable economic growth. Question number 11. NDP at factor cost is equal to GDP at FC minus. Option 1 depreciation, option 2 indirect taxes, option 3 net factor income from abroad, option 4 subsidies. The answer is option 1 depreciation. NDP at FC is calculated by subtracting depreciation from GDP at factor cost. Question number 12. The microfinance movement in India was formally launched on a pilot basis by option 1 NABARD in 1992, option 2 NABARD in 1994, option 3 SIDBI option in 1994, option 4 SIDBI in 1902. The answer is option 1 NABARD in 1992. NABARD initiated the microfinance movement in 1992 to provide small loans to rural areas. Question number 13. Payment of a loan by the government is an example of option 1 revenue expenditure, option 2 revenue receipts, option 3 capital receipts, option 4 capital expenditure. The answer is option 4 capital expenditure. Loan repayment is a capital expenditure as it affects long-term liabilities. Question number 14. Which of the following taxes imposes the burden directly on the taxpayer? Option 1 direct tax, option 2 indirect tax, option 3 goods and services tax, option 4 value added tax. The answer is option 1 direct tax. Direct taxes, example income tax, are paid directly by individuals or entities to the government. Question number 15. To combat inflation, with what is the usual monetary policy stance adopted? Option 1 allish, option 2 dovish, option 3 hawkish, option 4 Hickstan. The answer is hawkish, option 3. A hawkish monetary policy involves higher interest rates and reduced money supply to control inflation. Question number 16. Which of the following is true? GDP minus depreciation. The answer, this question we have covered. The answer is GDP minus depreciation is equal to NDP. NDP is derived by subtracting depreciation from GDP. Question number 17. Which of the following is an objective of the government budget? Option 1 GDP growth, option B reallocation of resources, option C balanced regional growth. Option 1 A and C, option 1 A and C, option 2 A and B, option 3 only A, option 4 all A, B and C. The answer is all A, B and C. So the government budgets aim to promote GDP growth, reallocate resources and ensure balanced regional development. So thank you everyone. Like, share and subscribe GK for GC. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.